Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Just want to share a few things, especially my Magic IB system and the setup. So let's get started. This is USD Aussie USD 20-minute chart, and this is my one of my main entry chart. Either it is in slow time, it is 20-minute, and then in fast moving pair, 7-minute entries are very common. 7-minute chart, right? So this is Aussie USD, and this is how the setup, and you can I can predict these things before it happens. So see, here's my alarm, Magic IB alarm. I created this EA in MT4, meta code language. So what it does is, when this thing is cooked, this indicator is all the way down and it's turning, it start beeping. And then at the same time, I get after the red candles, I get a reversal candle, and basically right after the reversal candle, and even before, it will start beeping. If the reversal candle is about to be made and this indicator is all the way down and make the turn, the blue goes above. As soon as the blue goes above the red, below these two lines, the indicator start beeping. So I know, even if I'm not watching the screen, I'm doing something else, and if on the other screen I have these alarm on 5-6 pairs, and all of a sudden something like that cook and it start beeping, so I can see, okay, this is what's cooking. And usually I have my analysis on weekly chart ahead of time, weekly chart and 33-minute chart, what the heck this thing is gonna do, and all the indexes and everything. So I was prepared for this. So it's to save the chart just to show everyone that this is what I was expecting, and I just wrote this thing down. Let's go, but because I was expecting that, okay, we're gonna be this is the setup, long setup, and we're gonna be bouncing from there. So what happened to this chart? Just wanted to show you guys that this is how accurate it is. That once you have everything in place, this is what's gonna happen. All right. So right from there, when they start going to the upside, I made an entry, and I do analysis on one computer, and I have entry on the other computer, the live accounts, right? So here is my entry, right there. It's the same place, right? And you can see nice entry, and it's sitting on a break even, and they're just riding the trade. Similarly, here was another one. For example, this NZD yen. Totally different pair. That was Aussie USD. This is NZD dollar and yen, Japanese yen. The same day I saw this one start beeping. Same scenario, right? And I said, okay, but this one, it didn't go straight from there. Actually, there was not the right time for it, so that's why it just retraced a little bit more, and this is how it is. So from here, I never got a blue candle, right? And it was like, again the red candle, again the red candle, and then finally down here it will start to go up, and that's where I made the entry. And let me show you. Here is the entry right there, right? Couple of blue candles, few blue candles, and then you open a trade and put the SL behind it, and my SL it dipped a little bit after that, but it didn't hurt my SL. All right, so that's how these two, nice 20-minute setup, and this is how it goes. And that's how I had all those 20-minute trade entries, almost 7 or 8 on yesterday, on the October 30. All those trades are posted on my website. Big trades, especially like pound CAD, euro CAD, 165 pip, and 145 pip, something like that. Right, so this is Aussie trade, New Z trade, and it's a lot more. So let me show you something else. That's similarly, I had this index, US dollar index, 33-minute trade setup. We don't trade these, but the setup. 33-minute chart is my guidance chart. It guides that, okay, this is what's going to happen, and if this happen, what will happen to the pairs involving USD. So I wrote down here the possibilities are that EU will go up, GU, AU, Aussie USD, and USD will go up. UC down, UJ means USD yen, right? And UF down. So these are the pairs. So you already saw that Aussie USD, it went up right? And I'm saying here that okay, Euro USD will go up too. So what happened to this chart basically is this. You see that how nice and clean it dropped, right? So again, it dropped here a little bit, went up, but then again it started dropping. So when it starts dropping, those pairs, if it drops a little bit and go up, I would never find my short entry there on those pairs. But it starts coming down, continue to the downside, then my target is, final target is 0219. And when that happens, so you already saw that Aussie USD went up, and watch this, Euro USD also up, right? And nice setup here. It was a entry here, but then it went up, came down. I moved my SL to the and then it got knocked out, right? So that happens all the time. And then this is the entry again. Right here, I made an entry and it went up. It went up even more. And then the other one, I said USD yen, USD carry, USD franc will go down. So out of that, you see this USD yen. I just closed it a little while ago. And there's a nice 7-minute entry, beautiful entry by the book, dropped, entry, and there was like entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here, and all the way down, 95 pips so far. I just closed it. All right, so this is how these setups, Magic IB setups, of course with my analysis, because let me show you this. For example, USD yen, why did I take the short and not waiting for long? Everybody, probably a lot of people are thinking about that it might be going long. So let me just just for the clue, I'll give you a hint that why, because I do my analysis on the weekly chart and I trade accordingly. Where the heck those charts are? So for example, USD yen, if I'm taking short because of this pair, and I will be taking shorts a lot. This chart, weekly chart. You see this weekly chart? Here you can see that it was my order there, and then see this is what I think. So it's gonna be dropping a long way, right? So if that's what it is, even if it comes from here to here, so why would I go long? It's making a turn already, right? So based on this chart, yeah, okay, these are this one and some other, because the USD is getting weaker, right? So if USD continue getting weaker, all the USD pair, 3 of them gonna go down: USD franc, USD CAD, USD yen, and then all 4 will be going to the upside. Simple as that. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys that this is how the Magic IB system works with the weekly charts analysis, and that's what I do. Teach. I do webinars Wednesday at 4 o'clock and Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern time for my subscriber, and I go over the whole market and do the analysis and show them all the setups, the upcoming setups for the next couple of days, and how to take entries from 7-minute or 20-minute chart using Magic IB system. This is the system that I have. A very nice, neat, clean, easy to learn system. It's just a matter of learning, that's all. So this is it for now. And if you like to what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe, get the system, get everything ready, get your charts ready. It's a little bit of work needed, of course. Good things don't come easy, right? So probably you're gonna have to download some things, and then open the charts and set them up and make the profile and everything, and I'll guide you, right? Even if you have any problem setting up the charts, I'll go on Skype and then I'll guide you that do this, do that, and then you will be up and running in no time. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.